Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix error code E100 quickly and easily. First of all, we need to understand what is this code. This error happens when an issue with data stored on your device stops Netflix from playing. Now, Netflix Help Center have made this article to explain how to fix it for each case of devices. First of all, if you have a TV or TV streaming device, turn off your device. If your device has a power cable, unplug it. Make sure your device is completely off, not just in sleep or standby mode. Third option, or third step, leave your device off for 15 seconds, then turn on device and try Netflix again. This is for the TV streaming devices. Now for the Android TV or Android streaming box. You have to do the same thing, which is restarting your device as we have seen before. But we need to make sure that our device supports streaming, so this error can only applies or happens on Android devices such as Android TV, streaming media players, or set-top boxes. If you keep getting this error, it means Netflix does not support your device. It's pretty simple as that, so unlikely you will have to change your device. Now for the cable box. For the cable box, you will need to do the same thing. Unplug your device from power, press the power button on the device once and wait 1 minute, or leave it unplugged for 3 minutes instead. Plug your device back in and turn on your device and try Netflix again. First and basically the last one is the Google Nexus Player. Netflix is no longer available on the Google Nexus Player. You can still enjoy Netflix on many TVs and streaming devices as well as phones, tablets, and computers. To browse all a list, go to this page so you can check all the list of supported devices. But in general, Google Nexus is no longer supported by Netflix.